So hello friends, hope you are doing very well, and today I'm starting a cryptocurrency investing masterclass. Okay, so this is the first video, and in this video I will break down the most essential crypto terminology and concepts every beginner needs to understand before investing in Bitcoin, Ethereum or any other cryptocurrency. Okay, so firstly let me tell you what is cryptocurrency. If I search on internet what is cryptocurrency. Okay, so if I go to any good website like okay. So friends, basically you all guys use pounds, euros, dollars, rupees. Those are fiat currency, okay, which you use for basically buying goods and services, and or maybe in physical or digital form, okay, cash and card, etc. Whatever you want to say. But cryptocurrency is completely digital money, okay, and your fiat money, pounds, euros, dollars, rupees, those can be controlled by the government and is controlled by the government, but cryptocurrency is cannot be controlled by anyone, okay. The blockchain itself acts as a money system and it cannot be controlled by anyone, okay. Basically crypto means cryptography. It is a secure method of encrypting information. So friends, let me tell you first the difference between private key and public key, okay. So if you search between crypto, private key and public key, okay, if I open this website Gemini Trust. So guys, basically when you create a crypto wallet, okay, for example you are creating your wallet on Trust Wallet. So this is a crypto wallet, okay. Here app is also available, website is also available, and extension is also available there, okay. So you can create your wallet here, okay. And basically, so this is bullshit, I'm going to tell you by directly. When you create the wallet here, you will get a phrase, okay. So if I show you by creating a account, for example I have to use different browser for that. So for example I use here the window, okay, yeah. So okay, because Trust Wallet I think is not available on the Safari, so I can create account, okay. Okay, you can also install the app of this Trust Wallet, and it's very good actually as a storing extension, okay, yeah, okay. So you can click on the create new wallet and you can use fingerprint, okay, and verify it, okay, yeah. Okay, just next. Okay, so this is basically your wallet and it's not backup, and you have to back up the security key. So if I click on show, okay, so if you see, this is my security key that is used to log in your wallet, okay. This you have to secure. This is a 12-word seed phrase and this is equivalent to your PIN number of your bank account, okay. Only you should know it and never share it. Scammers might trick you into revealing it. So if I copy this and save it in a very secure way, okay, then no one can hack this account, okay, because this is the only way to get access of this account, okay. Here I can receive crypto from people, okay, I can send cryptocurrency to people, okay, and nothing else needed, okay, no KYC and no data, okay, no need of Aadhaar card, PAN card, nothing else, okay, just a phrase is there and your crypto account is open, okay. And this account is decentralized, means it cannot be controlled by any government, any guy, okay. You created and you keep any number of money in this and send any transaction, any number of transaction, no one can stop you, okay, from this account, okay. So I told you this is a private key I'm showing because I'm not going to use this account, okay. I will delete this account. And okay, so if I want to receive a cryptocurrency, for example I want you to send me Ethereum, okay. So if I will click on receive and okay, this is my public key. This I can share because this is the address you can see on the right side, okay, yeah. This is the address in which you will send me cryptocurrency, okay. This is public address, you can share to any guy, okay, no problem, to receive the cryptocurrency. So this is the, and we will know these things in much more detail later, okay. Let me close this first, okay, yeah. So let me take you to the website Coin Market Cap, okay. Hope you know that website is very good website, okay. So this is very good website for crypto information, okay. If I make it bigger and if I go to market cap, okay, so currently today I'm unable to see here how many cryptocurrency are there today. if I go back cryptocurrencies, okay. So let me, yeah, okay. So there is currently 25 million cryptocurrencies in this world, okay, currently, and it will go further and further because nowadays daily new cryptocurrencies are coming in the market. And if I go to the home screen, okay, and this should be your this website you should pin it to the bookmark, okay. And so Bitcoin is the most valuable cryptocurrency, and this is the first cryptocurrency, okay. I think you everyone know about this, and all other cryptocurrency is called as altcoins, okay. ALTCOINS, altcoins, okay. So if I go to Bitcoin, and let me tell you some good stuff, okay. So Bitcoin is a store of value like a digital gold, okay. And you can see that this is the maximum supply of Bitcoin, 21 million Bitcoins, okay. And currently in the market 19 million Bitcoins are currently circulating, okay. So this total supply, that maximum supply 21 million Bitcoin, will be end by year 2140. After that, no new Bitcoin will come in the market, okay. 21 million Bitcoin is the last supply, okay. And after that, increasing demand will keep the price rising and rising, okay. If I see the price chart of the Bitcoin all time, okay. So this is started from, you can see from here, okay. If you scroll down, and you will see that all time low of lifetime, all time low is $0.04, and now it's $1,26,000, okay. And according to my future prediction, I will say like Bitcoin can reach $1 million. So let me tell you a very interesting thing, that is mining, okay. If you search on internet what is crypto mining, so guys, if you go to any good website, you can read about it. It's a very good thing. Basically, using mining, you can create new Bitcoins, okay, and you can maintain the security of the network. Basically, miners use powerful computers to solve puzzles, that is called proof of work, and when they solve it, a new block is mined and new Bitcoins are released in the market. And mining provides hash power, which protects the Bitcoin network from hacks, okay. So to hack Bitcoin, one would need equal hash power, okay. That is practically impossible, okay. If I search on internet, like if I go to blockchain.com, and if I explore, okay, charts, and if I go to hash rate, yeah. So this is the Bitcoin hash rate, I think. Yeah. So this is the chart of the hash rate of the Bitcoin, and okay, this will be very complicated to you guys till now, okay. I will explain it later. So let me tell you about seasons, okay. If I go to website blockchain center.com.net, yeah, and okay. Yeah, so basically this is a graph of Bitcoin versus altcoin season, okay. So I already told you the coins except Bitcoin is called altcoins, okay. So this is the season index. Basically, Bitcoin season is when Bitcoin performs better than most altcoins, and altcoin season is when then other coins outperform Bitcoins, okay. So currently you can see the market is here. Today's date is 18 October and market is here, okay. 18 October, you can see here, okay, and it's moving towards Bitcoins. That means when it will go here, like for example here, okay, 27th June, that is basically Bitcoin is performing, okay. That time you have to buy altcoins because they are down performing, and you will get in less price, okay. And then the market will reach here, okay, near to altcoins, you will get a very good profit, and you can sell it, okay. Same applies to there, okay. If market is here, okay, in the altcoins, you can purchase Bitcoins, because that time Bitcoins you will get in less price, and you can purchase it, and after that you can sell it when the Bitcoin will outperform, okay. So this is a you can save it in your bookmark if you want. You can go to this website. So friends, basically blockchain is the technology behind cryptocurrency. If I search on internet what is blockchain, okay, yeah. This is not a good website. So friends, basically a blockchain keeps the digital record of all the transaction linked together in the blocks. Okay, so this is like if I show a diagram of the blockchain, you will understand. We will talk in detail about these things later. This is just an introduction video. Okay, so blockchain is like this. Blocks are there, so many blocks are there. Okay, so each block stores many transactions. For example, you pay to me, I pay to some other guys, and for example, you pay X pays Y, etc. And when a block is full, it is sealed and new block is created, and so that chain continues going on. Okay, so there are different blockchains are there. Bitcoin is a blockchain, Ethereum is a blockchain, Solana is a blockchain. You can check it on CoinMarketCap. Okay, so here Bitcoin is a blockchain, Ethereum is a blockchain. Okay, and Solana is a blockchain. Okay, they maintain their own transaction records. So when you pay cryptocurrency to some other guys, you have to pay a transaction fee that is called gas. Okay, if I show to what is gas on internet, like what is gas in crypto. So it is basically a fee you have to pay so that the transaction could be completed. This fee, I told you about miners. This fee you will go to those miners who are working for you. They are using their CPU, GPU, and that's how they are making like they are filling the boxes of the blockchain. Okay, the blocks of the blockchain. Okay, so you can search about it on YouTube. You will get many people are doing how to do mining. You can do how to do mining, cryptocurrency mining. Many people are doing in their big warehouses. Okay, so it looks like this. The people use many GPU, CPU. Okay, and you can also do in your laptop by going into website like NiceHash. Okay, you have to just download their software and they will do mining. Okay, you can calculate here, and if I show you how much you will get. Okay, for example, you are mining using your GPU. Okay, and if I show you the price calculator where it's there. Okay, yeah. Okay, so for example, you are using device I'm talking about currency, let's say INR. Okay, electricity cost you can say 8 rupees. Okay, and then you are using, for example, Bitmain. Okay, anti-miner. This is a I don't know which GPU is this. For example, you using this CPU. Okay, so you can calculate how much profit you can make in a day. So this is your profit, 55 rupees per day. And also you can see here like which is outperforming GPU, CPU, ASIC miners, and you can go to here where it is. Okay, let me check. Yeah, this is the top 5 hardware. Okay, GPU is here, NVIDIA H100. By using that you can make 103 rupees per day. Okay, and after reducing the electricity cost. Okay, and there's a CPU, AMD CPU that one I use. Okay, this is without electricity cost. And these are the ASIC miners. These are very specialized. Okay, so you can see 4,700 per day because they are built for a specific crypto algorithm. Okay, that's why they are making so much money. If you want, I can make a specific video on crypto mining because it's very complicated. You have to do it very carefully. Okay, if you want to make money there. Okay, if you go to Delhi market, you will see that so many people purchase second-hand GPUs. Why they are purchasing? Because they want to do mining. Okay, so how they are earning? Because when someone is paying money, like basically paying crypto to anyone, they have to pay a network fee that is called gas fee. Okay, and that gas fee goes to these miners which are doing mining. Okay, they are using their CPU, GPU to make that transition happen. Okay, because of these miners are there are so many miners in the world. Okay, the network is secure. Okay, no one can hack cryptocurrency. So guys, there is a concept called smart contracts. If you are not from the programming background, it's maybe a little bit complicated to you, but if you are investing money, then like no need to understand this, but I will give you just basic understanding. So basically, if you search smart contracts on the Google, blockchain, so this is basically introduced by Ethereum, and it's a automated digital agreement on the, or you can say program. Okay, so it's a logic based. If X happens, you will do Y. Okay, something like this. This is the main foundation of decentralized finance apps and NFTs, metaverse projects. So if you want to make a app on the blockchain, you have to write smart contracts, because then if you executed a smart contract, if you write a program, okay, and for the app and executed it, now no one can change that program. That's why blockchain apps are 100% trustable, because they are not centralized. You cannot control that again. If you just write an app and publish on blockchain, then you cannot change the things. And that's why it's 100% secure for the users. We will go in detail, but this is just an introduction video, so I will not go in detail. So friends, if I go back to the CoinMarketCap, okay, so Bitcoin volume is 62 million. Okay, and if I show you the volume of Tether, okay, that is USDT, and it will be here. Okay, third option. So the volume of Tether is more than Bitcoin, that is 133 million. If you don't know how to calculate it, so see, 9 zeros are million. Okay, so this is 62 million, and this is 134 million. Okay. I'm sorry, what nonsense I'm saying in the video. Basically, this is a 62 billion volume, and this is 133 billion volume. 9 zeros are basically billion. Okay, I'm sorry because I'm confused in the video. So see why Tether USDT volume is higher than Bitcoin, because see, I told you about the fiat currency, that is your dollar, euro, rupees, what actually use in the real world and controlled by the government. Okay, that is a fiat currency, and in opposite of that, in digital world, there is stable coins like USDT. This is the stable currency. It will always remain $1. It is why, because for example, you made a profit in Bitcoin. For example, you invested in the Bitcoin when it was $50,000, and now it is double. You made the money. Now you want to exit it. Okay, now you want to safeguard your profits. So for example, you sold your Bitcoin. Now after selling, what you will get? For example, you brought from those money you purchased Ethereum, but maybe Ethereum will go down, so your profit will become in loss. Okay, so that's why stable coins are here. So what people do actually, if they make profit in Bitcoin, they sell it and get their USDT. Okay, so USDT is stable, it will not volatile. Okay, if you see, it's always same price. Okay, just see same price every time. Okay, very little it volatile. And see the Bitcoin, this is the graph of Bitcoin, up down, up down, up down, up down. Okay, so that's why the volume of USDT will be highest. If you see, the volume will be highest in the complete world. Okay, because every person, whenever they make profit in any cryptocurrency, they just convert into USDT, and at last of the day they keep USDT in their account. So you can see here what is market cap. Okay, so if you multiply the value, the price, by the circulating supply, okay, you will get the market cap. Okay, so 181 billion is multiplied with $1, that is your 181 billion market cap. Okay, same applied to every cryptocurrency. So Bitcoin, you can see the price is around $1 lakh, and if you multiply this by the circulating supply, 19 million Bitcoins are in the market, you will get the total market cap. This is the total worth of the crypto. So Bitcoin's total worth is $2.13 trillion currently. Okay, if you want to see the complete worth of the crypto market, you can go to here, and this is the complete worth by today, that is 3.63 trillion what cryptocurrency is. Okay, and the most of the market cap is because of that Bitcoin. You can say it is very high, 2.1 trillion, like 2.13 trillion. Is like Bitcoin is if I show you how much Bitcoin is worth in the market, see, 58% is the Bitcoin dominance in the market, then 12% is Ethereum dominance, and 28% other cryptocurrencies like altcoins. Okay, so I talked about coins and market cap, circulating supply, and I have to talk about volume. Okay, so basically the volume is 24-hour volume is 61 billion. Okay, so basically volume is money flowing in and money flowing out from the cryptocurrency. Okay, so if you send me 1 Bitcoin and I send you back, that is 2 Bitcoin volume. Okay, and you can convert in the USDT, or you can say USD, and that will be the volume of the market. Okay, so today's volume is $61 billion volume in the Bitcoin. Okay, so if you see the candles here, candles is not only okay, candles, yeah, you can zoom it by okay. So here the red candle is selling candles, that people are selling here, selling. Okay, and green candles are buying candles. Okay, so basically if you many people buy a cryptocurrency, the supply will be the same, so the price will be increased. Okay, and if many people sell the cryptocurrency, the supply is same. Okay, so the price will be drop. Okay, so see, yeah, here the people are selling, so many people are selling, and the price went from $121,000 to $111,000. Okay, something like that. So around $10,000 drop in the Bitcoin price because of many people are selling. Okay, so this is used in technical analysis. Volume is used so much. Friends, crypto market is very volatile. If I go to cryptocurrencies, and you can see the 1 hour percent. Okay, 1%. If I go to 24-hour percentage, so 9%. Basically, volatility means how fast prices move up or down. So in the last 24 hours, this coin went 9% up. Okay, so if you invest in morning, like 1 day, if I do 7 day, okay, you can buy at $0.39 and you can sell it at $0.45. That is a very huge profit. Okay, in 7 day, around 13% of the return. Okay, if you spending 10 lakhs here, you will get 13 lakhs around. Okay, don't, maybe like I'm making videos, so sometimes maybe my calculation is not correct, so no tension, you can calculate by your own. Okay, So in cryptocurrency, many people do investing, many people do holding, and many people do trading. Okay, you should know the difference in between these. Okay, investing means you are investing for months or years. Okay, if you say you are investing in the bitcoins, you are investing in the bitcoins. That means you are holding bitcoin for maybe 1 month, 2 months, or maybe for a year, and then you will sell it. Okay, and holding is a different concept. Holding means HODLING. Holding means you are holding the cryptocurrency for your life. Like whatever happens, maybe you will get bankrupt or whatever happens, you will hold that cryptocurrency for your whole life. Okay, that is called holding. And the last one is trading. Okay, so trading is basically there are different types of trading. That is day trading. Day trading you do for a day. Okay, so you buy in a day and you sell in that day. For example, if you do with this coin Morpho, if you purchased in the morning, so you will get the price in the morning, that is $1.67, and in the night you can sell it for $1.84. That is a very good profit, like 9% profit. Okay, you have to do your analysis, then you have to buy. Trading is very hard, like very high loss you can get and maybe very high profit you can make. Okay, and another one is short-term trading. Short-term trading you do for a week. Okay, for example, you are doing short-term trading on this coin, bit and sword. Okay, TAO. This is the short name of the coin. Okay, so you buy for buy on Monday and you can sell on Sunday, etc. Okay, depend on your analysis. And last is swing trading. Swing trading, basically you make profit by buying in low and selling it high. Okay, so for example, the Bitcoin is here, so you buy here and you will sell here. Again it will go low, so you will buy here and you will sell here. Okay, you will just buy in low and sell it on high price. So traders do technical analysis. They study price patterns and chart data to predict the future movements. So mainly traders do these things, and I'm not gonna tell you about trading. I'm gonna tell you about cryptocurrency investing. Okay, when you do technical analysis, you use concepts like support and resistance. So basically, if I go to candles and if I make it bigger, okay, trading view, yeah. So guys, this is the support. Okay, basically, yeah, sorry, this is the support. So support is the price level where a coin tends to stop falling. Okay, this coin is going here, from here it not fall down and it goes up. So this is the support. Okay, but when the price break below support, it's called breakdown. Okay, so here you can see that here is the breakdown. Okay, because the price breaks the support. Okay, and you use resistance. Resistance is the highest point. Okay, this is the point where it stops rising higher. Okay, the price went here, and it cannot go more than here. Okay, so this is the resistance, and when you break resistance, it is called breakout. Okay, so for example, till now the breakout is not came. Okay, maybe in tomorrow the breakout will came. Okay, and it will go here, so that will be the breakout. Okay, so people also do fundamental analysis. If I show you cryptocurrencies, so basically fundamental analysis is like the real world use of the cryptocurrency. What problem does it solve? If I talk about cryptocurrency Ethereum, okay, so basically using Ethereum you can create apps on the Ethereum blockchain. Okay, so it solves a real world problem. Friends, I am telling you so many concepts in one video, so you can watch it again if you are unable to understand the concepts. And let me tell you about crypto markets. Okay, so there is two markets, bull market and bear market. Okay, yeah. So the thing is basically crypto market move in repeating cycles about every 18 to 24 months. You can read about it much better here, and on any website you want to read about it. So basically in bull market price rise, people buy cryptocurrencies, that's why price gets high and high. Okay, and after that bear market is come. In bear market price fall, people selling the cryptocurrencies. Okay, so easy way to remember is no need to remember, just bear market is just price are falling and bull market is that price are rising. Okay, so the strategy is that you buy on the cryptocurrency in the bear market, because on that time you will get in cheap price and you will sell in bull market. There are so many people invest in the cryptocurrencies, and people like you and me who are individuals, okay, that are called retail investors in the cryptocurrency market. Okay, and in stock market also. Okay, and large companies, funds or banks like Tesla and PayPal, those are which are investing in the cryptocurrencies are called institutional investors. When they invest, the price will surely go high because they invest in very big quantity. Okay, so if you know the insider news that people gonna invest in the Bitcoin, okay, so you can buy early, and then when they invest so many money in the Bitcoin, then the price will go up and you can sell it. Earlier you saw the news of Tesla invested in the Dogecoin and the price gone very high. Okay, So friends, earlier I told you about the Trust wallet. Okay, so basically this is a hot wallet. So hot wallet is basically the wallet which is connected to the internet. You can use this wallet on the internet. You can use maybe on the browser, maybe on the laptop, maybe on the mobile, okay, to do the transition. And I told you that there is a private key. If you give anyone your private key, your account gonna lose, okay, no option is there, okay. And if you forget the private key, your account is lost, okay, no option is there. So this wallet cannot be hacked until you reveal your private key. For example, you saved your private key when you creating account here, the 12 word keys, that is, you can say that is a phrase, okay. You saved on for example Google Notes, okay, and if your Google account is hacked, hacker gonna check your private key and just take all your funds by logging in, okay. And maybe you saving in a password manager, okay. So you have to save it very, very carefully. If you want, I can create a very good video how you can save it that no one gonna hack, okay. You can also write on the paper, okay, but still if you hide the paper in a in your bag, in your almirah, okay, and if you're gonna forget the location, or maybe you paper got missing, then you're gonna lose the account, okay. Another one people use is called cold wallet. If you go to Amazon and search about it, cold wallet. So this is the wallet for the cryptocurrency. This is the best company, Ledger. Okay. So these are the offline hardware devices. Okay, and basically they are if you want to send the cryptocurrency, you have to attach this to the computer, and then you can do the transfer and remove that from the computer. Okay, so no hacker can hack this. Okay, and it's only possible when you lost this Ledger. Okay. We will talk about it in the later videos, how you can purchase and how you can create and set up everything and how you will use it. And you can also search on Google, YouTube, okay, everywhere videos are there, okay, no issue. Another place people use to store cryptocurrency is called centralized exchange, which are Binance, and there's so many places are there, okay. Binance, you can search about it, and Coinbase is here. So many are there, Gate.io is here, Gate.com, it will not get open until I will connect. Oh, it's getting open, okay. And KuCoin is here. So many centralized exchanges are here. So these are centralized exchanges. These are owned by the company and managed by their CEOs, okay, managed by their team. And if you hold cryptocurrency here, okay, then the cryptocurrency is not in your hands. Those cryptocurrencies are in their hands, okay. So if something gonna happen, maybe a hacker hacked the complete company, then the databases maybe the hacker hacked, so they can take all your funds. And you know the recent case of Vajirex and Vajirex, you know what happened to them, okay. And you can see all the reports of Vajirex, and recently something happened with, I think, Bybit, yeah, Bybit, okay. So you can see yeah, Bybit. So there was a very big Bybit hack recently happened, and people lost so much funds they lost. But Bybit, I think they recovered it by their like cold wallets. The people you are not using the cryptocurrency, something they did, I don't know, but there's a risk here, okay. If you are holding a good amount of crypto, better you should use cold wallets or hot wallets, okay. But don't use centralized exchange, because the whole crypto main point is not here. The crypto main point is like the decentralization. You own the money, okay, not other people, okay. So it's like same, you are keeping your money in the bank account, or you're keeping the money in the Binance app. If something happen on to these websites, you're gonna lose all your funds, okay. But for example, you want to you have a USDT in the wallets, maybe in the hot wallet, maybe in the cold wallet, and maybe in the centralized exchange, okay. So you want to buy Bitcoin from there, okay. I will tell you, I will show you example how to buy it, okay. But for example, you have USDT, you want to buy BTC, okay. So in the centralized exchange, you can do directly by going here, spot trading, and you can just enter the amount of Bitcoin, how much you want to buy, okay. For example, I want to buy, go to the market section and just tell me that I want to buy of $1,000 worth. So you will see here how much Bitcoin you will get, okay, and you will just buy it and hold in that your Binance account, okay. But here if you have USDT, you cannot buy here. This is a wallet, you can save the cryptocurrency, you cannot buy sell here, okay. You cannot trade here, okay. For that you have decentralized exchange. So for example, Uniswap, okay, this is the Uniswap. So here you can do the trading. If you want to buy for example from the USDT, you want to buy Ethereum, okay, you can buy it. Just enter the amount, how much USDT you have and how much Bitcoin you will get. You have to connect your wallet here. So we created the wallet on Trust Wallet, so you can connect your account here. That Trust Wallet option will be not here, but if you click on the connect now, wallet connect, it will get connected, okay. And Binance also have their decentralized wallet. We will talk about these things in much detail later. How I will show you practically how you can create account, how you can do the transition on the decentralized exchange, also on the centralized exchange, okay. Everything I will tell you. If I go to CoinMarketCap and show the cryptocurrency, there are so many categories are there, okay. If I go to categories, yeah, okay. So there is you can say there is Okay, if I go to more categories, and yeah, so there is memes coin, there is gaming coins, there is AI memes coins, robotics. There's so many categories. If I go to metaverse coins, coin market cap. Okay, so these are the top metaverse tokens in the, so metaverse, virtual reality world, and basically these coins focus on virtual land, avatars, and digital economics. Okay, so Sandbox is a very famous coin here. You can see the price of this coin. All time low is $0.00 and all time high is $8.4. It's very huge difference. Okay, and basically crypto markets move in trend, and what is hot today may cold tomorrow, and total market cap of these coins is $7 billion. Okay, you can see here. Another very famous category is DeFi. Okay, if I search on coin market cap, like I'm unable to go to categories directly. If I go to categories, sorry, and go to DeFi option. See here I'm unable to see. Okay, so coin market cap. Okay, here you can see top DeFi tokens by market capitalization. So basically DeFi is digital decentralized finance. Okay, sorry, yeah, so that is finance without banks. You don't need any bank in between. So I recently told you about Uniswap. Okay, this, so what they are doing is they are giving financial services that you can put the money here, you can put the crypto here, you can get the interest, you can borrow crypto from here, you can lend crypto here, and you can trade in between, like you're trading from USDT to Ethereum. So what basically bank does in the real world, that they are giving you FD services, they are giving you loan, that services they provide. Okay, so these are called digital decentralized finance. Okay, so Uniswap coin is here. You can see the price here. Okay, so all time low is $0.49 and all time high is $44. Okay, so many people do here swapping, trading, and the price of this coin will go up. Okay, the good thing is there's no middleman. Okay, if you put here $1,000 in the interest, for example, okay, and you are getting a good interest, no one gonna take that coin. And if you, for example, put that money in your bank, and maybe I am the bank owner, I can take that money. Okay, not people do, but I can take it if the bank is my own bank. Okay, and you put the money, and I have I want to take the money, I can take it, no problem. Okay, but here you cannot take the money, even because it's a decentralized, it's working on a smart contract. No one gonna touch your money if you are putting here. And you can also do staking. You can also do on the Trust Wallet also. You can see the option here. Let me search Trust Wallet staking. And you can also do on the all centralized exchange, for example Binance. You can do it everywhere. Okay, stake your crypto and earn rewards. Okay, so basically staking means you are locking your tokens, whatever the token you have, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, whatever your tokens you have. Tokens means cryptocurrency. Okay, you can lock your tokens here. That will support the blockchain network, that will support to the miners, and use in the proof of stake networks, and you will get returns as rewards. Okay, you will get some interest. For example, if you lock your cryptocurrency here, you can see earn up to $52 interest per day. Okay, on your current assets. Okay, so you can see the options here. If you put Ethereum, you're getting 3% APR. Okay, in some crypto you will get better interest, much better than the banks. Okay, if I put SEI token, and it's not here, like SEI good interest are not here. Near protocol I'm getting 8%. Okay, here, and Tron I'm getting 4%. And you can go, it is different on different websites. You can check on Binance. If I go to earn, and if I go to simple earn is basically that same thing, staking, and you can check it by APR, and filter out by APR, and you're getting 41% on the Luna. Okay, and it's flexible, means you are putting the Luna here, and you will get 41% APR, and whenever you want to withdraw that, you can withdraw it back. Okay, no locking period here. Okay, here lock period also available. Okay, advanced version of staking is called yield farming. You can also see here, if I search Binance. Okay, so yield farming, yeah, this is the yield farming. In this, basically you deposit 2 tokens of equal value into a liquidity pool. Okay, and same thing, you get the rewards in exchange of that. Okay, So there are a lot of concepts left, and I think you should know those concepts that are very important. But I think the video is getting very long, so I am completing this video for today, and I will upload another video for the remaining concepts. Okay, if you like the video, you can like and subscribe the channel and comment whatever you want to say. Okay, thank you for the video. Thank you for the watching to this video. Okay, and please don't complain about my English, because English is not my primary language.